Hello, so we want to evaluate this indefinite integral, right? So solution. So first of all, we expand this integral and the x into this, what we have inside this parenthesis. Here we have 2 integral x power 4 dx plus integral x power 2 dx plus integral cos x dx. Right here from this is equal to 2 x power 4 plus 1, which is 5 over 5 plus x power 3 over what? 3 plus, if you integrate cos x, it will give you sine. Here we have sine x plus c. This is equal to 2 over 5 x power 5 plus 1 over 3 x power 3 or x cubed plus sine x plus c. As simple as that.